Doing math homework, lesson 13, number 1. At the supermarket, you can fill your own honey bear container. I want a honey bear container. I want one. A customer buys a 12 ounce of honey for $5.40. Well, way to go, bud. How much does honey cost per ounce? So cost per ounce. So set it up in that way, in that ratio. So $5 per 12. So we take that ratio, we divide it out. 5.4 divided by 12, that gives me 45 cents. So that tells me that I'm paying 45 cents per 1 ounce. That's my constant of proportionality. Also tells me what I'm paying per ounce. So 45 cents, 45 hundredths of a dollar. How much honey can you buy per dollar? So the next one they're asking you to set up as a per dollar rate. So that's just the reciprocal of what we just had. So if you had that 0.45 on your calculator screen, you could just change it into a fraction, but I'm going to set it up so you can see 12 over 5.4. All right. And when I divide that way, 12 divided by 5.4, I get 2 2/10 repeating. So we can say that we get 2 2/9 if you want the fraction version, but we're just going to write 2.2 repeating. And this would be amount of honey ounces that we get every dollar. Write 2 different equations that represent this situation using H for ounces of honey and C for cost in dollars. Alright, so probably would be good to make a little table to get things straight here. So for honey, I get 12 ounces for $5.40, and it's clear to me that I would multiply this way by 2.2 repeating, and I would multiply this way by my 0.45. So that kind of gives me my 2 equations. I would multiply H times 0.45. So to get C, I would do 45 hundredths H. And then to get H, I would do 2.2 repeating C. I also could have had the fraction version of that by doing it as 9/20ths. So C equals 9/20ths H, or H equals 20/9 C. Those would be your fractional versions if you're more into that kind of thing. Choose one of your equations and sketch its graph. Ooh, choice. I am going to choose this one right here. Alright? So H and C. So I'm going to have honey over here, and I'm going to have cost over here. So if I buy one thing of honey, and I put a 1 there, that would cost me, I'm going to put, this is 45 cents. So that dot would be there. That would be the 0.145. And so my graph would look like that. There's a sketch of it. Pretty easy. If I did it the other way around, it would be 1 and 2.2 repeating. And that would be 1, cost dollar per every 2.2 repeating ounces of honey. Boom, shakalaka. That's problem number 1.